There are many challenges being faced by the industry these days, from increasing production demands, maintaining precision to reducing cycle time and reducing the downtime as well as rejection rate. Skilled manpower is very much essential these days. I am Vijaya Bhaskar Reddy, General Manager of Manav Marketing, Hyderabad branch. To address these challenges, Manav Marketing has a lot of products to offer. One of that being HAS automation. The machine what you see in the back is VM3. So it's one of the machines which can produce higher tolerances. Whole tight tolerances and very easy to operate also. So it has many features comes as standard on these machines. I am with Manav since inception. We have many products to offer in the exhibition. So apart from Haas, we also have exhibited some machines from Jagdeep, vertical turning 10 mills. Then EDM from Chamar, Taiwan. There are many products to offer in the exhibition. We request you to make a visit to our stall at HIMTEX